Here are 9 easy exercises that may help with tinnitus relief. Head and neck stretching. Slowly turn your head to the right, hold for a few seconds, then turn to the left and hold. Do this exercise several times, and then tilt your head forward and backward for additional stretching. Shoulder shrugs. Raise both shoulders to your ears, hold for a few seconds, then lower them back down. Repeat several times. Jaw release. Gently open your mouth wide, hold for a few seconds, then close it. Repeat several times. Tongue and mouth relaxation. Relax your tongue and let it rest against the bottom of your mouth. Take a few deep breaths and exhale slowly through your mouth. Eye exercises. Roll your eyes clockwise and counterclockwise. And then focus on a distant object for a few seconds. Finger drumming. Use your fingers to lightly drum on the back of your head, starting at the base of the skull and moving towards the top of the head. Ear massage. Gently massage the area around your ears, including the earlobes and the back of the ears. Humming. Humming can help stimulate the inner ear muscles and reduce tinnitus symptoms. Try humming a favorite tune for a few minutes. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga may help reduce stress and improve tinnitus symptoms. It is important to note that while these exercises may provide some relief for tinnitus symptoms, they are not a substitute for professional medical care. It is recommended to consult with a healthcare provider before trying any new treatment for tinnitus.